Oh god, it's 1 a.m. already. I have to finish this big report, but I guess I'll just do it in the morning or let me just sleep. Do you have this kind of attitude? Do you work this way? That when you feel sleepy, when you feel tired, or when it's late at night, you just stop doing that work and then you go to sleep instead, and then you think, like, okay, I'll restart this tomorrow, and all of those things. Well, if that's the kind of attitude you have, you'll not make it to the league of the most successful people. Because the number one principle and the very important principle that all successful people follow is finish what you start. And until and unless you haven't finished the work you're doing, you aren't satisfied with the kind of work you've done, you should not sleep, you should not take a break. That's what matters the most. So let's just break this down and let's just understand how this works completely. So the statement I said was finish what you start and never stop until you are satisfied. What this means is that once you start doing something, right, you get into the flow of it. You get into the synergy, the energy, the state that helps you focus on that specific thing. And as you're doing it, it should be good, right? You, because you're completely focused on that one thing, it's coming out great. Whether it is creating a report, creating a video, writing a book, writing a blog post, whatever it is, you just work on it. And as you're fully focused on it, you will be able to understand and find out how you can do it better, and that your work quality will be the best because you're fully focused. But if you take breaks in between, or if you just leave it incomplete and you sleep, then you continue off in the morning, there's that gap, there's that distance which does not allow you to remain in that flow. It breaks you from the flow, it breaks your attention from that thing. And when that attention breaks off, you are not fully able to focus on that task again. And because you're not able to fully focus, your productivity decreases, the quality of the work you create also decreases, and overall it's not a good situation. In the start we took that example that of writing a report, right? If you're writing that report and you're in good flow right now, it's coming out great, just finish it even though it's 1 a.m. and go to sleep at 2. Instead of waking up saying that I'll wake up early in the morning, then I'll do it, just finish it off right now and wake up at 8 or 9 if possible. Simple as that. Because right now you're in that flow, right now you're in that energy and that synergy that is allowing you to focus fully on that task. And if you take a break right now, if you sleep without that satisfaction, without completing that activity, you won't be able to focus better, you won't be able to create good quality work, and eventually it will hamper your success in the long run. That's just one example. And here's another reason, like why you should not sleep or why you should not take a break until you're satisfied with the work you've done. Most successful people create high quality work. They create work that is exceptional, that is great, that is amazing. But if your work is like you're taking breaks in between, you're not finishing it to the fullest, you're not doing it properly, the thing is that, as I said, your quality of work will be hampered and you won't be able to produce the greatest results. So, like when you are not able to produce the great results, your mind will have that guilt. You will have that guilt feeling that, yeah, man, I didn't really perform well today. I should do better tomorrow. And that guilt feeling won't allow you to sleep peacefully, and neither will it allow you to live or, be happy or be peaceful tomorrow morning as soon as you wake up. So, the thing is that until and unless you don't finish all you plan, until and unless you don't finish all your tasks before you go to bed or before you go to sleep and before you take a break, you should have that finished off, because then you'll be happy, then you'll be peaceful, nothing will be overrunning in your mind. And that's another reason why we look up to successful people. We see, wow, they are so happy, they are so peaceful. That's what we see. But we don't realize that the reason behind that is their continuous efforts in finishing whatever they start. A recent study was done and data was found out that only 10% of readers read beyond the first chapter of any book. And those who do, they're already in the top 10%, and when they implement the book, they keep growing and they keep doing more and more. 90% just leave off at the first chapter. They leave things incomplete, and that is what hampers their success. That is what hampers their growth. So if you don't want that, if you don't want a mediocre life, you need to start finishing whatever you decide and whatever you start. If you have decided I'll write a blog post now, don't get up from your seat until and unless you're done with it. If you have decided I'll finish this report right now, finish it and then get up from your seat. If you have decided I'll do this 1 hour run, do that run and only then you stop. This is how you build the mindset, attitude and behavior of a champion, and this is how you get ahead. Because as I said, not many people complete things, and if you become a person who completes, who finishes what they start, then you will get into the league of those top people and you will already start becoming successful. But now that question comes is, what if the project is very long? How can I just finish it in one go? Maybe let's say that you're writing a book or you're working on a movie. You can't finish it off in one night, right? It takes time. It takes time to do those things. So what you do is, whatever segments you decide, whatever segments you break up, you do that and don't get up from your seat, or you don't take a break, or you don't sleep until and unless you finish that one specific part. Let's take the example of a book. If you're writing a book with 25 chapters and you have started writing chapter 1, you say to yourself, I won't get up until my chapter 1 is written. That is what it means to finish what you start. Or you can also do one more thing. Just take a break from all the work you do and write your book as fast as possible. That way you're just indulged in writing your book and you do it very fast. So that's what it is. You need to start finishing whatever you start. And because of that, when you know that, when you do that, you will be fully satisfied with what you have done. Will not have this forerunning thought in your mind that, oh no, I didn't finish it today, I'll have to do it tomorrow, and there will be no burden on you. You think that, oh my god, that finishing whatever I do or writing a whole blog post in one go will be difficult. Doing the blog post, starting it, writing 500 words, then taking a break, writing 500 the next day will actually bore you more. They will actually tax you more and they will take more energy away from you. Instead of just writing them in 1 hour or whatever time you have decided for yourself. And the reason for this, we actually discussed right before this, that when we are in a flow state, when we are doing something with proper synergy, energy and state, we are in that flow state where we are able to do our best, where we are able to bring out the best results. And if we break that flow state, if we get away from it, it creates problems, as we discussed. So once you start writing out, once you start doing those things, like you just sit in one spot until and unless you're done with your work, you will feel more happy, you'll feel more energized, because one, your work will be done faster, you'll be more focused, and your flow state will create high quality work. All of these will combine and lead you to success and take you to the top ranks. This is the principle of finishing what you start and never going to sleep until and unless you're satisfied. And this also applies to our schedules too. What many of us do is we create a proper, beautiful, perfect daily routine. We follow it for 2 days, we properly follow our schedule for 2 days, then the third day we slip off. We are not very productive, we haven't done things quite well. And on that day, what you have to do is that, not that you go to sleep and say, okay, I'll be productive tomorrow. Whatever you decided in the morning, you will finish that no matter what and then go to bed. That is what will help you do much more, and that will help you achieve much more. Because you're using the flow state, you're using that energy within you and you're finishing whatever you decide, and you will become peaceful and happy. Also, for productivity, many people like to use the Pomodoro technique. While it works great and that you get those energy out and you are able to take that 5-minute break in between those 25 minutes, if you feel that that's breaking your flow, for some people it does not do that, you can fully focus on it that way. But if you feel that it breaks your flow, then instead of taking a 5-minute break after every 25 minutes, you sit on one task, do it for 2 hours, then take a 15-minute break before moving on to the next task. So this is like a longer form of Pomodoro, but it will help you remain in the flow state better, as it won't create that gap in between. So this is the basic of how you can start finishing whatever you decide to do, and how this will lead you into the league of top people. Now what I want you to do is go through your to-do list again if you made one today, and if you didn't, just think of all that you decided to do today and finish it, no matter what. No matter what happens, even if you have to sleep at 1 2 a.m., just do it. It might feel difficult and uncomfortable at first, but eventually it will give you much better results. You will feel more satisfied, you will feel more happy, and you will be more grateful and peaceful from inside. Now, what I want you to do is comment below and write this sentence: I finish all that I start. This will be an affirmation you can practice every day, and this will help you reaffirm these beliefs, reaffirm these feelings, and take action even better. So, write that comment down. Also, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because I am sharing and putting out new content every day from my experiences, so that you can be more happy, you can find more positivity in your life, and you can find solutions to your problems and progress further in your journey to success. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for that, and also like this video because it helps me grow and it helps you grow too, and share it with as many people as possible, so that more and more of us become efficient and more of us get into the league of top successful people.